Hey, what's up, guys? This is Amin, and you're watching your favorite YouTube channel, Make Money with Amin. Today, I want to talk about SEO. Yes, this is very important tutorial for SEO learner who is want to learn about SEO and who is really want to be a SEO expert. This is the first tutorial for the SEO learner, and hope that this tutorial is very helpful for you. And we want to learn a very basic thing today, and this is the first class. So I hope that after complete this tutorial and after complete this journey, you will be a professional SEO expert. So let's get started. Thank you so much. So first of all, we want to learn about SEO. I think you know already SEO. SEO means is search engine optimization. I want to explain something. After that, we will prepare our browser as a SEO expert. Okay, so first of all, I want to search some keywords. Okay, so when someone searches with some words, that is keywords. Also, we will explain everything after one or two class, and definitely you can easily know about details about the keywords. Okay, so this is the very basic things, and today is the first class, so I want to just touch about the keywords. So I want to search about here Oppo mobile price in Bangladesh. So I want to search it here, and this is the keyword. The first of all, you should just think about it. I will definitely make some videos for the keywords research and some other things. Okay, so no worry about this. This is the first class, so just think about the topic and just learn with me, and definitely I will explain everything step by step, very details. Okay, so no problem. So this is the keywords. You will search on the Google search area. After that, you will see the website like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 10, and the first 10 result is very important for the user, because when you will search, that's time you will just click, most of the people click this first, second and third or fourth and something like that. So this is very important for the website owner who is want to rank with these keywords, and he want to make the position the first 1 to 10. Okay, so this is the formation for the ranking. So this is very easy things, so no worry about this. We will discuss more about this. So this is the keyword, but as a SEO expert, we before learning, we just set some Chrome extension for our learning purpose and for our SEO help. So first of all, today we want to install some extension that will help us to learn SEO, that will help us to know about the SEO formation properly. Okay, so here is all the extension. As a SEO expert, before learning, you should prepare your browser with all the extension. Also, if you are a SEO expert, definitely you should install all the extension. Why? I'm just explained right now. Okay, so first of all, we want to search here, and we want to know what is the search volume per month with these keywords. Okay, so this is my question. So how can we get this? So first of all, I want to install one extension, then I want to explain about the extension. So what is extension? I think you have a questions. What is extension? Extension is the browser helper. It's most of the people, most of the developer just develop some extension for easy work. Okay, so our say extension, the extension name is keyword server. Okay, let me install it and then I will explain everything. Keyword server. So this is the fast extension. So just search on Google keyword surfer extension. After that you will find this extension on the Google search. Okay, so I want to click here, and this is the keyword surfer extension, and obviously provided by this company, and most of the people using this keywords for their SEO purpose. Okay, so we want to install it, add to Chrome for as an extension. Just click add to add extension. After that, when you have completed this installation, you will see the area here, the extension area, and you should pin the extension from here. Okay, just pin. Now we want to refresh or reload or again search with this keyword, and after that we will see what's happened. Okay, so we are just waiting for it. Okay, so this is the search volume, monthly search volume for these keywords. Also the CPC means the cost per click. Okay, so if someone start Google advertising with these keywords, the estimated cost per click is 0.40 for this country. Okay, so if you want to know the other keywords from your country, so you can easily change from here. Okay, so I want to click here, and I want to select United States of America. And I am extremely sorry for that, because my English is not good, but I am just trying to make some videos for my whole audience all over the world. Okay, so I want to search here the keywords digital marketing service. Okay, so I want to search here the keywords digital marketing service for United States of America. So here is the search volume you will see right now, and you're just showing here the 6,600 per month from the USA, and the CPC is very high, I think. So also you will get some keywords idea from here. This is the very basic things, and this is the very basic tutorial for the SEO learners. So if you think this tutorial is very basic for you, you can skip and please see my other tutorial, SEO tutorial. I hope that you will get some more values. But as a beginner, if you are a beginner learner, definitely this tutorial is very important for you. So here is some keywords. You just see the idea with some search volume. So basically the keyword surfer will show the keyword search volume with the CPC and also provide some keywords idea. So this is very important extension for SEO expert. Okay, so we want to go to install the other extension, and we want to see what is it, the SEO Quek. Okay, so I want to search here SEO Quek extension. Okay, SEO Quek extension. So what is it? First of all, I want to install it, and then I want to explain everything. So I want to go here, and after that I will install it, add to Chrome as a extension. Okay, after completed the installation process, you should obviously pin the extension from here. Okay, so I want to pin it, okay, this area, and I want to search again the keywords digital marketing service. Okay, let me search. Okay, so open this website. So what is the main purpose for the SEO Quek? So first of all, after installation, when you have completed your installation for the SEO Quek, you will see this kinds of bar with your top area with your browser. Rush backlink, also the SEMrush subdomain backlinks, also the ranking, global ranking for this website. If you will see from here. Okay, so this is very important for the analysis. Also, when you will click the SEO Quek extension area, you will see the option, some other option like diagnosis. So if you want to know detail about the website, definitely you can easily know from the SEO Quek. Also here is the page audit report. So if you want to get a easy SEO audit report for any website easily, so definitely you should use SEO Quek. Okay, one is similar web. Okay, so I want to install it. Similar web Chrome extension. I want to search on the Google and turn to correction. Okay, so the first one is similar web. Okay, and this one is the similar web traffic rank and website analysis. Already uh, the extension said that the for this extension will use for the traffic rank and website analysis. So to just for this domain, and I want to reload the home page, and I want to pin the similar web. Okay, so right now I want to know the traffic. I want to analysis about this website. Okay, so I want to go similar web extension, just click here, and after that you will see this kinds of agreement notification. Just click yes, and after that you will see the traffic, monthly traffic analysis analytic, or some other metrics from this extension. So most of the people visit from the USA, and also you will see the traffic graph from here. One extension I want to add, the extension name is Vista 2. So I want to uh, install it. Okay, Vista 2 Chrome extension. So this one is the vstart true, so I want to install it, and I want to go here and reload the website, or just wait for a few seconds. After that you will see the traffic, how many traffic are coming from the website per month, and how many people are visiting this website from for every month. So you can easily know about the monthly traffic volume for this website from the extension Vista2. Okay, so this is very cool, I think. Okay, so I want to install some other extension like Meta One Click, FatRank, and MST Sharp Counter. So what is it? So I want to explain everything step by step, no problem. So I want to install Meta One Click. So I want to install. I want to just click here Meta One Click, and after that you will see that complete on page and others information from here. So if you want to analysis for on page, Meta One Click is very helpful for you. So I want to click header, and to click image. So here it is 11 image without alter tag. That is very important for the ranking. So and 20 image is without title. So this is very important for on page sharp counter. Okay, and I want to click here and after that you will see a very interesting thing from your search bar or Google search area, number from your search result, and a very interesting thing, I think. So this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. First extension is FatRank. Okay, so FatRank extension. So this is one of the best extension for the SEO expert or learner. So I think so you should know about this one and want to just visit this website. So suppose you have a website or you want to know which keyword ranking for this website and how many which the position on Google. So how can you do this? You want to go the FatRank extension, then we want to know for the Bangladesh, so we want to just click here Bangladesh and put your keywords. So I want to put here and just check. After that you will see the result. The with these keywords the website position is 12. This is very important for the SEO expert. So I think this tutorial is very long and my English is not good, but I'm trying to make I'm trying to deliver or make some tutorial for my audience. This video is very helpful for you, and please share and please subscribe the channel if you are new viewers in my channel. Okay, so take care, and definitely I will make the second part, or continuously I will make some videos for this series, SEO basic to advanced course. Okay, so this is very important for all SEO learner. Thank you so much, and tata.